Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my H2 HUMMER SUT, and this is year model 2007. How you can replace the rear bump stop. It's very easy and simple. After inspecting the bump stop, they are really in good shape. They don't look that bad at all. So I'm not going to change it, but now you know where is the location is and how you can take it out. So this is the bump stop on the rear of your HUMMER H2 SUT. Grab it and you're going to pull it out and it will come out of this cavity. Once this one comes out, then you can install the new one. But after inspecting, mine look really good. They are not bad at all. This is the passenger side, the driver side. I'll show it to you how it looks. This is the driver side and this is the bump stop if we take a look. This is the bump stop right here. This one looks in pretty good shape, so I don't need to change it. So it's very simple and easy to change it, the bump stops on your HUMMER H2 SUT. I have also posted the brake pads, how to change it on the rear and the front on my HUMMER H2 SUT. And if you want to check it out, that videos, please check it out on my channel. So thank you, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.